Thinking about permanently deleting your Facebook account? This is a big step. Once fully processed, everything is gone forever. Photos, posts, friend list, messenger access, and logins to third-party apps using Facebook. So before you delete, strongly recommend downloading your data first. Click on the video link on description or comment box to see how to download. Today I'll show you the current Android app steps. Let's do this carefully. Open your Facebook app, tap three lines menu or your profile picture. Then go to Settings and Privacy, and then Settings. Tap Account Center, then Personal Details or Account Settings. Then Account Ownership and Control. Tap Deactivation and Deletion. Select your Facebook account if you have multiple Meta accounts. Tap Delete Account, not deactivate, it's delete. Tap Continue to account deletion. Read the warnings carefully. It says 30-day grace period, permanent loss, etc. Tap Continue to account deletion. Enter your password and confirm. Tap Delete account again. You are logged out immediately. The deletion is now scheduled. There you go, your Facebook account permanently deleted or scheduled on Android. If this video helped you make a clean break, drop a like and subscribe for more social media guides and fixes.